SDG Impact Accelerator.
So when we started Gravity, we dedicated ourselves to studying the challenges faced by refugees, other displaced communities, and also the humanitarian organizations and governments that were working towards supporting them. Realized that while our digital identity solution was uniquely placed to empower displaced populations, we also realized how hard it is as a startup to access the humanitarian segment, both in terms of being able to interact with the myriad humanitarian organizations and also the end users, so refugees. For this reason, when we saw the call for applications for the SDGia, we were instantly motivated to apply to it because it will allow us to have first-hand interactions with both our clients and end users from ideation all the way until implementation. SDGia provided us with invaluable support from the moment we submitted our application all the way through to when the product was in the beneficiary's hands. Among the different support mechanisms, I would say what we valued the most was all the help that we got in being able to refine our approach to business development through the different interactions that we had with investors, mentors, and even the fellow startups. And secondly, the visibility given to us through SDGia by allowing us to present our solution at investor events or, most importantly, the United Nations General Assembly. And lastly, the SDGia was very supportive in terms of facilitating contact with local institutions interested in using our solution, and also providing a lot of background context and support about the local context in Turkey. Yes, we are excited to announce that we just finished our pilot in December. We managed to achieve the outcomes of having beneficiaries use the web app to guide product development. The entire SDGia program from start to finish had several positive outcomes for our business and our company as a whole. Some of the most crucial learnings for us during this period have been firstly the confirmation of the value proposition for both the beneficiaries, so the refugees, and also for the local implementing organizations. In general, the SDGia program has helped us to build credibility as a vendor in the humanitarian sector. Secondly, we will be incorporating all the user feedback that we got, both from implementing agents and from the beneficiaries, so the refugees themselves. And lastly, we'll also be attempting to scale the project through continued engagement with the local partners and with other institutions and organizations such as employers or vocational training institutes that show interest in the solution.